So when Azure Stack started shipping, we knew it had a lot of value, but we didn't know which industry segments would pick it up first. And we've seen a great correlation between the use cases and specific industry segments. So to give you some examples, the 4 things that drive people to an on-prem cloud versus a public cloud are data sovereignty or data confidentiality. Number 2 is applications that might go periodically offline. Number 3 is performance. And number 4 is modern app development. So the 3 industries that we're seeing explode with this solution are financial services, healthcare life sciences, and manufacturing and distribution. And the reasons correlate exactly to those use cases. So if I'm in healthcare life sciences, data confidentiality is huge. I'm not going to run a clinical drug trial and put it in a public cloud where it could be hacked. So we're seeing data confidentiality drive a lot of healthcare providers, whether it's hospitals or pharmaceuticals, to go with this solution. For financial services, we're seeing a combination of 2 use cases. One is, of course, data confidentiality. You don't want your 401k managed by somebody in a public cloud where it could be vulnerable. But the other thing is performance. And I saw a report last week, and it has to be tested out to see how accurate it is. But the report said that as much as 25% of Azure Stack adoption will be for performance reasons with big data. And that correlates exactly to financial services. So if I'm financial services, I want to keep my data safe, so I'm going to keep it on-prem. But the other thing is I do data analytics all the time. I want to know, how do I upsell to customers? I want to look for buying trends with customers by looking at 10 years of credit card receipts and transactions. Well, that involves huge amounts of data. The last thing in the world you want to do is upload 30, 40, 50 terabytes to a public cloud because of the latency involved in that. And then do your data analytics and then ship everything back again. One, it's not a great use of money, but 2, it's just slow.